Hello Pebbles viewers, welcome. Today I will be teaching you the basics of the guitar. Okay Pebbles viewers, I will now be teaching you the parts of the guitar. So the top part of the guitar is called the head of the guitar, and these things that stick out from the sides, they're called the tuning keys. The neck of the guitar consists of these metal frets. These metal lines are what you call frets. This is the body of the guitar. The body of the guitar can be made out of different woods. There's spruce, there's mahogany, there is a rosewood, and each wood gives a different tone to the guitar. This is called the sound hole. It amplifies the sound that your strings make and gives a strong resonant sound. The next thing I will be teaching you is how to hold your guitar in the correct manner. So the first thing you do is you keep your guitar on your lap with the body facing your right side and the head facing the left side. You take your hand and place it here, and your left hand is placed on the neck. Then pull your guitar up and then wave. When you wave, you ensure that your guitar is in a perfect sitting position, allows you to play freely. We'll do that again. So place your guitar on your lap, your right hand goes here, your left hand on the neck, pull your guitar up and then wave. The next thing I will be teaching you is how to hold your pick. So you give a thumbs up with your right hand, hold the pick with your left hand, place your pick on your index finger and then close it with your thumb. Then you can play for a clear resonant sound. I will tell you that again. Give a thumbs up, pick in your left hand, place it on the index finger, close it with your thumb and then play. So the next thing we're going to learn is your finger numbers. So as you can see, your left hand fingers, we number them so that it makes it easier for you to learn chords and chord shapes, etc. So your index finger will be your first finger, your middle finger will be your second finger, your ring finger will be your third finger, and your pinky will be your fourth finger. I'll repeat that one more time. Your index finger will be your first finger, your middle finger will be your second finger, your ring finger will be your third finger, and your little pinky finger will be your fourth finger. The next thing we will be learning is the names of your strings. So on your guitar you usually have 6 strings. Some guitars have 7 strings, some have 12 strings, 10 strings, whatever. But on your regular guitars, on the regular acoustic guitars, you have 6 strings. So we usually start from the string that's facing the bottom, that is the string facing your floor, and then go all the way up to the top string. That string is the one facing your ceiling. So the first string is your high E string, your second string will be your B string, third string will be your G string, fourth string will be your D string, fifth string will be your A string, and your sixth string will be your low E string. So we'll go through that one more time. First string is E, second is B, third is G, fourth is D, fifth is A, and sixth is E. Okay viewers, the next thing I will be teaching you is your first chord, that is your E minor chord. So this is your E minor chord. So how you play it is you take your third finger, that is your middle finger, place it on the second fret of your fifth string. You take your index finger, your ring finger, that is your third finger, place it on the second fret of your fourth string. So you should get a chord that sounds like that. I'll repeat it once more. second finger on the second fret of the 5th string, third finger on the second fret of your 4th string. That's the kind of sound you should be getting out of your E minor chord. So the next chord I will be teaching you is your G chord. So how to play the G chord is you take your third finger, that is your ring finger, place it on the third fret of your 6th string, your second finger, that is your middle finger, on the second fret of your 5th string, your pinky finger, that is your 4th finger, place it on the third fret of your 1st string. Should get something that's along the lines of this. I'll repeat that one more time for you. Third finger on your third fret of your 6th string, second finger on the second fret of the 5th string, and your 4th finger, that is your pinky finger, on the third fret of your 1st string. Just check if that's the kind of sound you get. Now again, it might be muted for some of you viewers, but that's okay. That's beginners. Okay, the next thing I will be teaching you is how to strum. So you mute your guitar strings. Basically, you place your fingers on your strings without actually pressing them, and you do 4 downstrokes. Do that one more time with me. Now when you are done with that, then you place your E minor chord, and then you just do that one more time with me. Then you hold your G minor chord shape, and so what you do is you shift from your E minor to your G major without losing the time or the beat. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, again 1 2 3 4, shift 1 2 3 4. Thank you viewers for watching today's class. That's all for today, unfortunately, but I hope to see you in our next class. If you like this lesson, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in my next lesson.